Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. We heartily welcome you all to our YouTube channel cadcaemaster. If you enjoy what you see, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. Well, so here I'll be taking you through the exercises of the SketchUp Workbench. So in the previous session, we had covered the basics of SketchUp Workbench. We'll see a few of the exercises with the simple one to the advanced one. Let me just start with this. So you can just select the front plane. Q is a shortcut, I'm using it. And you could see the sketch at your left corner. So I'll just create the same thing. So what I'll do is first I'll try to create the rough sketch. See for the circle, so I'll just refer this as a center. You can even assign the dimensions, or else you can simply draw the rough sketch. I prefer drawing the rough sketch first, and later on I try to modify it as per the need. So yep, so up to here is fine. Now I'll use the line tool. So you could see if you just hover on the circle and simply drag it, it will automatically snap the tangents to that side and even though at the origin. Yeah, so you can see, quite simple one. So now what I'll do is I'll assign the dimensions. Anyway, remaining things we can do it later. From here to here they now assign the dimension, so it's 20. Yeah, similarly from here to here it's 45. And then we do have the dimensions for this. They have assigned the radius for this as 20. Diameter, it should be 40. Similarly, the inside one is diameter 30. So you can do the same thing. And these two circles are equal. I'll assign the same relation. I don't want to define the dimension again. Same thing here. Well, the dimension should be here as well. So it's they have taken this one as diameter 55, I feel. Yeah. And inside this one as a reference, consider diameter 38. Yeah, so there is one more radius 10 for this, in the sense diameter 20. This should be construction. If you do that, now you can activate the circle. You can see it will snap the locations. The diameter they have given, it's 12, and you can draw the same here, one, here one, and here one. These all are 12. Select all and define equal. Yeah, and now they have defined the distance from here to here. This one, it's 100. So, and again these two should be horizontal to each other, and it's almost ready. Now see for circle. Here I'll simply draw tangents in the beginning, and here one circle should be there, which should cross like this, right? And these two tangents is already there. These two tangent to each other. They have given the dimension for this. The radius is exactly 20. Diameter is 40. I can trim likewise outside. Thanks. Now I'll assign the tangents relation for these two as well as for these two. Yep, so there might be the radius value for this as well. That's 98. That is 186. Yep, I think this is left like thing. You can assign the same. Use the trim tool, and delete unwanted things. I hope that was the only one. Yeah, now dimensions, you can see if you want to change it, you can just come back to the leaders here, change it to radius. Similarly here, I'm just showing you what exactly you can do it. So if you want to have it, you can just use this. Likewise, you can do wherever it is needed, and you can exactly represent what is there in the sketch. I hope the sketch is clear. Let me take you through one more. So I'll simply delete this, select all like this, or else better is Control A, delete. It's gone. F for zoom fit, it's already here. And now I'll simply draw a reference axis. The sketch you can see right at the left corner. And now here the sketch resembles, it's a kind of revolve feature. I'd like to draw only one half. I'll start with this and up to here. Yeah, so this is also extended, I think, and extend it up to here. This is fine. And now there are few things. I don't want to make it complicated. I'll simply draw a sketch here one and here one. Is it touching like this? I feel so. Yeah. Now dimension you can assign. So this one is radius. Oh, it's from outside or whatever it is. 60 in the sense it's 120 dia. Oh shit, it's too big. Okay, no issues. It will adjust accordingly. And here I would like to assign the dimension. So from here to here, you can see it is 15. If you move it outside, it will give the diameter. That's 40 here. And similarly, this one from here to here, it is 60. Right? And this distance from here to here, it is you can see it is in mm and it is 20. And similarly from here to, is it moving outside? Yes, should be like this. You can drag it here. This is the reference axis, you can just drag it. Yep, so this dimension, it's again 10 mm. Yeah, so up to here it is clear, I feel. And then here I come with this. This should touch here. So like this. So this point and this PS, this is fine. And you can just trim this outside one so that you can play with this like this. This is perfectly fine. 60 is okay. And there is a distance between these two. So you can hold the shift, select this and the curve, so you can get the minimum distance. It's diameter is 28, in the sense it's 14. Yeah. Similarly, if you extend this one, reference axis, we don't know where this is going to sit, but they have given the diameter for this. It's radius is 50, in the sense it should be 100. Yeah, so from here to here distance they have given. You can use the dimension, hold the shift, select this as well as this. this distance they have assigned as 40 total. It should be 20 here. Yeah, so up to here it is fine. I think you can trim this extended outside portion and here. And there is one more sketch which is lying here somewhere. What you can do is you can draw a circle, so which should be tangent to this, and they have assigned the dimension as exactly radius 10, diameter should be 20. Yep, so this is perfectly fine. You can trim this and even this and here too. And now you can see the sketch is completely fully defined. If you want to close the sketch, you can, or else open sketch is also fine to revolve it. Well, now my sketch is ready with fully defined constraint. If you would like to revolve it, you can just choose it from here, and you could see these are the areas which I would like to revolve, and this is the representation of the same. You can simply green check, and this is how it looks like. Well, so we'll go ahead with one more, the final sketch. So again, I would like to delete this feature itself, or else better to go ahead with the nav part as a template. And here the front plane I'll refer. Now quickly I'll draw the same circles, 1 and 2, here 2, yeah, and here 1, and here 1, 2, and then quickly I'll assign the relations, geometric relation, these two vertical dimensions. You could see the outside is 38, inside is 20, this is kind of 20, and this outer is again 64, the inside is 34, and this should be 64, 128, and here also it should be 128. Yeah, so you can just simply drag it outside. Before that, you can assign this dimension, very important, from here to here. They should have certain distance as 75. And now I'll just assign tangency for this and this. And same similarly here too. Now go to trim, remove these two, and remaining everything is fine. Yep, so like this you can create the simple sketches. So if you could practice this much up to now is more than enough to have a better hands-on on the sketch of Workbench. If you feel if you want to exercise few more sketches, you could even do at the back end. Yeah.
We heartily thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram for behind the scenes content and the updates. Stay curious, stay awesome, and see you again in the next video.